Cusco, often referred to as the historical capital of Peru, stands as a captivating testament to centuries of rich cultural fusion. Nestled high in the Andes at an elevation of approximately 3,400 meters, 11,200 feet, this city is a living museum where ancient civilizations and colonial legacies intertwine seamlessly. Over the course of this discussion, we will explore Cusco's profound history, its archaeological wonders, vibrant culture, unique architecture, culinary delights, surrounding natural beauty, and its significance in contemporary Peru. Let's begin with the origins of Cusco. Originally established by the Inca Empire in the early 13th century, Cusco served as the political, religious, and administrative center of the empire. Its strategic location and sophisticated urban planning made it a hub of activity and innovation. The city's name, derived from Quechua, Cusco, means navel of the universe, reflecting its central importance in Inca cosmology. The Incas viewed Cusco as a sacred place, a nexus connecting the heavens, the earth, and the underworld. The city's layout exemplifies Inca engineering mastery. The central plaza, Plaza de Armas, is a focal point, surrounded by impressive stone walls, some of which have withstood centuries of earthquakes. The precise stone masonry, fitting stones together without mortar, demonstrates the Incas' advanced techniques. These stones, often polygonal in shape, fit tightly together, a testament to their architectural ingenuity. Walking through Cusco's streets, visitors can observe these ancient constructions intermingled with colonial buildings constructed during Spanish conquest. Speaking of the conquest, the arrival of Spanish conquistadors in the 16th century marked a pivotal turning point. While they toppled the Inca Empire, they also left an indelible mark on Cusco's architecture and culture. Many Inca structures were repurposed. For instance, the stone foundations of Inca palaces and temples now support colonial churches and plazas. The Cathedral of Cusco, located on the main square, exemplifies this blend. Its massive stone walls and Baroque interior are layered with history, reflecting both Inca and Spanish influences. Moving beyond architecture, Cusco's cultural landscape is vibrant and multifaceted. The city is home to a diverse population that celebrates its indigenous roots through music, dance, festivals, and traditional crafts. One of the most prominent celebrations is Inti Raymi, the Festival of the Sun, held every June. This ancient Inca festival, revived in modern times, features elaborate rituals, costumes, and processions honoring the sun god. Visitors from around the globe flock to Cusco to witness this spectacle, a vivid reminder of the city's spiritual heritage. Cusco's markets are treasure troves of local artistry. The San Pedro Market, bustling with activity, offers a kaleidoscope of textiles, pottery, jewelry, and local produce. Artisans skillfully craft items using traditional techniques passed down through generations. These crafts reflect a rich syncretism, indigenous motifs intertwined with colonial symbolism, creating a visual language unique to Cusco. When exploring Cusco, it's impossible to ignore its proximity to some of the world's most renowned archaeological sites. Machu Picchu, the iconic lost city of the Incas, is just a few hours away. This UNESCO World Heritage Site stands as a symbol of Inca ingenuity and spiritual significance. The journey to Machu Picchu often begins with a train ride through stunning Andean landscapes, followed by a trek along the famous Inca Trail, which takes travelers through lush forests, ancient ruins, and breathtaking mountain vistas. The site itself, with its terraced slopes, stone temples, and sophisticated water management systems, continues to fascinate historians and tourists alike. Beyond Machu Picchu, Cusco serves as a gateway to other archaeological wonders such as Sacsayhuaman, a massive fortress with precisely fitted stones, and Coricancha, the Sun Temple, which was once the most important Inca religious site. These sites reveal the Incas' advanced engineering, astronomical knowledge, and spiritual practices. Cusco's surrounding natural beauty is equally captivating. The Sacred Valley, located nearby, is a lush corridor filled with traditional villages, terraced fields, and spectacular mountain views. Towns like Ollantaytambo showcase well-preserved Inca architecture and serve as starting points for treks and tours. The valley's fertile lands produce corn, potatoes, and other native crops, sustaining local communities and maintaining ancient agricultural practices. The city's climate varies with altitude but generally features a mild, temperate climate with distinct wet and dry seasons. The landscape's diversity provides habitats for a wide array of flora and fauna, including spectacled bears, llamas, and vibrant bird species. Adventure seekers can indulge in hiking, mountain biking, and horseback riding, exploring the rugged terrain and appreciating the region's ecological richness. Cusco also plays a significant role in contemporary Peruvian culture and economy. It is a vibrant hub for tourism, attracting millions annually eager to immerse themselves in history, culture, and adventure. The hospitality industry thrives here, with boutique hotels, traditional guest houses, and culinary establishments offering authentic experiences. The city's gastronomy reflects a blend of indigenous ingredients like quinoa and native potatoes with Spanish influences, creating a cuisine that is both traditional and innovative. Peruvian cuisine in Cusco is distinguished by dishes such as cuy shactado, fried guinea pig, alpaca steak, and hearty soups flavored with native herbs. The city's restaurants often emphasize farm-to-table principles, sourcing ingredients locally. Additionally, Cusco hosts numerous festivals, markets, and cultural events that celebrate its diverse heritage, fostering a sense of community and pride among residents. In the realm of arts, Cusco boasts a thriving scene of painters, sculptors, and musicians.